Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. On this video, we will be designing with the newest Softlex design kit called Turtle Love. It was extremely popular and unfortunately it did sell out really quickly. But you can still purchase the Jesse James bead mix, and that's an exclusive mix made by them for Softlex Company for the design kits. So I will leave a link down below in the description so you can check out that beautiful mix. It's perfect for mermaid vibes, summer vacation, all things under the sea. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when I post upcoming content. So I will be using some of the beads that came in the kit, like these beautiful check glass. And then I'm adding in the Softlex turquoise color. I feel that would just go so well with this color theme. I'm also adding in some golden shadow crystals, and these are 4.5 millimeter. And adding in one of my favorite gemstones, Amazonite. It comes in so many different colors and shades, and then you'll need a lobster claw and, of course, your 2x2s. And then I'm adding in this little check glass seashell that was exclusive to the mix or exclusive to the kit. And that will just kind of act as a little charm for my bracelet. And then these beautiful turtle beads, they're kind of like metallic. These were super pretty and they were exclusive as well. This kit had a lot of exclusive items. But they're just so pretty. So I wanted to make like a little bracelet and then these check glass beads from the bead mix, and they're like little turtle shells. So super cute. So also I will leave a link down below for the newest Softlex kit. So if you love this kit and you watch any of my past videos or the Softlex unboxings, you know that the kits are absolutely fantastic, jam-packed with awesome goodies. And then they do sell out quickly. So make sure that if you are interested in a kit that you order it early. So to start my bracelet, just cut about 8 or 9 inches of softlex wire. If you have a small wrist, you can always, cut less if needed, but be sure to save any extra softlex wire. You never know when you'll need it for another project. So we're just going to trim our wire. We're going to slide on our beautiful turtle bead. And these are like tattoo beads or laser etched, so they're super pretty. And this would be great for like an anklet as well. And I'm going to add on one of the little crystals. So we got to have sparkle in our bracelet. So we our little crystal on there, and then our beautiful Amazonite. We'll just keep adding on beads to our bracelet. I finished adding beads to my bracelet and I wanted to put these beads in there, but when I started designing it, it didn't really go with my design. So I just went with the Amazonite and the crystal and then these beautiful little check glass shell beads. So now we're going to attach our clasp and our little shell check glass dangle. And I'm using a lobster claw, very fitting for under the sea. So this is just a very beginner-friendly project, just basic bead stringing, but you can really elevate your design with the use of gemstones. And I got these beautiful Amazonite beads from a local bead shop in Placerville, California, Artistic Beads and Studio. And I will leave a link down below in the description for her shop. Pass our wire back through our 2x2. I'm going to leave a little bit of wiggle room and not cause tension. And then by using the turquoise wire, it just really fits into our design. And then we're just going to rotate and round it for a more professional look. And then we're just going to tuck in our little tail under that bead. We're going to slide our beads down, and this is like a little bead stopper. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. And I guess my jump ring was still open a little bit, so it slid right off, but that's okay. We'll attach our lobster claw to that. And we're just going to give it a close and rotate. We're going to trim off our little tail. And now we're going to attach our clasp. So sometimes things happen like that for a reason, and then you just know that your jump ring isn't completely closed. So we're going to slide on our little dangle charm, our little shell, and our lobster claw, and attach it to our wire. And give it a close. Give like a little charm bracelet. And we have our beautiful bracelet using the Softlex Company Design Kit, Turtle Love, using some Amazonite and then a little check glass. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and upcoming tutorials. Have an awesome day.